Hey everybody! Today's topic is father and mother in Chinese. I'll teach you how the Chinese people call their parents in real life. Let's go! When you check out the dictionary, you might find these words 爸爸, 父亲. But today I'm not going to show you these words, because Chinese natives do not call their parents in dictionary way. I will call my father like this, 爸爸. Yeah, just like this. Here's your turn. Here comes the mother, and I do not actually call my mother Mama, 母亲. No, never. I will call her Mama. Mama. Yep, these are the facts which do not appear in dictionary. So, this is it for today. And if you want to know how to write father or mother's Chinese characters, I have a playlist on YouTube which shows you how to write Chinese. If you find this video helpful, like it or share it to others, and make sure you subscribe this channel because more videos are coming up soon. See ya!